Here we got a 99 F350, and the windows up here, the power windows weren't working. So I watched a video on YouTube, and it said this guy had cut the sleeve away right here. There's like this big black one that goes in between there that holds the wires in. Anyway, what I did is I didn't want to cut it. You can see the wires are broken there, but you already know that by now. You're just trying to figure out how to get to them. So I'm going to give you the best way to do this without cutting your rubber piece. And so what I did is, obviously you just saw that in reverse. Disconnect it from up here, disconnect it back there. What I had to do, you'll see this little flange. It was wrapped around with electrical tape. Just cut right through that, leave the flanges there, pull it in, and then just pull the rest of it in that way. The reason that you don't want to cut this, the reason I didn't want to cut it, is because this is exposed to the moisture outside, and as that moisture comes in and you got that cut, all that moisture will seep in through the door and get to your electrical connections here, which is what this is meant to prevent. But obviously you can see the speaker isn't going to prevent that. And also the moisture is going to get in there, which gets in your cabin. Now you have a moisture issue, and it doesn't control as well. So keep things the way that they're meant to be, and just shove it in there. I will here in a minute, but that's how I did it. I also made the connections with, you can see a little yellow thing between there. I don't know if it's going to work. Hopefully it will. If not, I got some other things here I'm going to try, but I just used these right there. I wasn't planning on using these. Those are going to be too small, so I just used the blue ones because they have a bigger diameter in there as well. So that's how I attacked this project with fixing these electrical wires, and we'll see if it fixes it. All right, just plug these up. Turn the keys on. Lord, let it work. Ah! Uh-oh. Okay, there it goes. Yes. Praise Jesus. He's over there. You're welcome. All right, well, the passenger window doesn't work. Yeah, all right. All right, and that window works. Heck yeah. What about the door locks? Okay. Yeah. Well, let's see here. See, it's locked, unlocked. Well, they ain't moving too good, are they? That's locked. Okay, that's unlocked. That's locked. Unlock. Unlock. Lock. 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 Okay, well, that ain't working too great. What about this one? We'll go down. Unlock. Lock. Nope, that ain't working too good either. All right, so need some work on the motors for the lock and unlock functions. Thank you.